Before starting your Office activation, please make sure that your copy of Windows is activated. Your activation location is in the same region where your device was purchased. The device's date and time are set automatically. Now, let's get started with your Office activation. It only takes 7 steps to activate your copy of Office. Step 1. Launch any Office app from your app list or by typing in the search bar. Step 2. To start the activation process, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, create one and then sign in. Step 3. Click on the Activate Office option when it pops up. Step 4. When a web browser window appears, sign in with your Microsoft account and follow the next activation prompts. Step 5. Follow the instructions and complete steps 1, 2, and 3 of the activation process. Step 6. Once Office is ready, open your Office app and click on the refresh icon. Step 7. Open a new or an existing document, then click Accept on the license agreement. And now, you're ready to start using Office. Get more, do more with a complete PC.